Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you how to fit an Ensuite tent. This particular one is for the Robson XTT. Different models will vary. Your Caravans will have a sail track in which the Ensuite tent slips into. This one uses buckles and poles to set up on the right hand side of the tent. So follow me, I'll show you how easy it is. Firstly, slip in the buckles. That's all three on. Now we'll grab our poles, start setting it up, and then we'll put our floor in. On the side of the Robson, you'll see there's a couple of little holes for the end of the pole stays. So we take the hooked end, which is this little guy here, pop it into the eyelet, and just behind the eyelet there's a little canvas sock that end goes into, which stops it from rubbing against the camper and scratching it. Always be sure that it seats in the sock. So just hang that down here. Put our second one in on the other side. Now we can start putting the tent up. Put these in our eyelets. Grab our spreader pole. And away we go. Our Ensuite tent's got its basic shape. Now it's just a matter of putting in the floor, then pegging it out, and it's ready to use. Thanks to my assistant. So there you go, how easy is that? Takes no time at all to set up your shower tent. We can put our portable toilet in there, family can go about its business in utter privacy. If you want to come in and have a look, I'll show you some of the other features and how to set up the shower head. Oh, Billy, great drive. Oh, hi, how you going? Just watching a bit of Red Dirt Diary on my phone. Something you should catch up with very soon. Now, I'll show you how you set up your shower head so you can shower hands-free. We can grab our shower head out of its little cubby hole on the side of the camper. A couple of things you'll notice on this. There's a little toggle to allow you to vary the flow on your shower head. Great little water saver trick, and it'll also vary whether your shower's a bit hard or not. Also, the hose as it fits into the bottom of this, you can actually undo the collar a little bit and twist the hose. Now when we set this up, we'll have it a little bit loose. I'll show you why. When we fit the shower head into the Velcro, let's get the Velcro tied around there, get the bottom one on. You'll see that the shower head's actually trying to take a right-hand turn. So what we can do is twist the hose around in there, get our shower head straight, retighten the hose, and now our shower is going to give us a stream straight down the middle of the tent. Won't try and spray out the side of the windows. It is that easy, folks. I suggest you use this. It's a very, very convenient way to have a shower, somewhere to put your portable toilet. For more great tips and tricks, get across to our webpage, absolutely follow us on Facebook, and you'll see each tip and trick as it comes up.